In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a clean, responsive website footer using HTML and CSS. If you enjoy front-end tutorials like this, subscribe to DevFix for more. Create a footer element. Inside the footer, create a div with the class footer content. Inside the footer content, create the first div with the class footer section. Add an h3 element. Type logo. Below the heading, add a paragraph. Type short description. Next, create another div with the class footer section. Add an h4 element. Type links. Create an unordered list. Add the first list item. Type home. Add the second list item. Type about. Add the third list item. Type services. Add the fourth list item. Type contact. Now create another div with the class footer section. Add an h4 element. Type social. Create another unordered list. Add the first list item. Type Facebook. Add the second list item. Type Twitter. Add the third list item. Type Instagram. Add the fourth list item. Type LinkedIn. Below the footer content, create a div with the class footer bottom. Inside it, add a paragraph. Type copyright 2026, your company. Then type, all rights reserved. Start by targeting the body element. Set display to flex. Set flex direction to column. Set the minimum height to 100 viewport height. Set the margin to 0. Now target the footer element. Set the background property to royal blue. Set the color property to white. Set the padding property. 40 pixels on the top. 20 pixels on the right. 20 pixels on the bottom. 20 pixels on the left. Set margin top to auto. Now target the footer content class. Set display to flex. Set flex wrap to wrap. Set justify content to space around. Set the maximum width to 1200 pixels. Set the margin property to 0 auto. Set the top and bottom margin to 0. Set the left and right margin to auto. Set the gap property to 30 pixels. Next, target the h3 element inside the footer section. Then target the h4 element inside the footer section. Set margin bottom to 15 pixels. Now target the unordered list inside the footer section. Set list style to none. Set the padding property to 0. Next, target the list items inside the footer section. Set the padding property. 5 pixels on the top. 0 pixels on the right. 5 pixels on the bottom. 0 pixels on the left. Now target the footer bottom class. Set text align to center. Set padding top to 20 pixels. Set margin top to 20 pixels. Set border top to 1 pixel. Set the border style to solid. Set the border color to Rava. Red value, 255. Green value, 255. Blue value, 255. Alpha value, 0.2. Now create a media query. Set the maximum width to 700 pixels. Inside the media query, target the footer content class. Set flex direction to column. Set text align to center. Set the gap property to 40 pixels. Next, target the footer bottom class. Set the font size to 14 pixels. Your responsive website footer is now complete, with organized sections and a layout that adapts smoothly to smaller screens. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to DevFix for more HTML and CSS tutorials.